Abha Sharma, your educator at An Academy platform. Today I have come up with the most asked question from me that ma'am, how to develop an attractive personality? Or ma'am, how can that happen that we enter a room and everyone is bedazzled with our entrance? So how can we do that? So today on this beautiful day we are going to discuss about 6 really important tips to enhance your personality and become that charismatic person that you really want to. So guys, let's crack it together. Let's see what's the tip number 1. Be a very good listener. Just imagine a scenario in which someone meets you for the first time and keep on babbling their story for long time without even listening what you want to say, or even if you are prepared to listen that to it or not. So guys, this one is, I would say, a little annoying. So that is why we need to be a very good listener when we are meeting someone for the very first time. Listen to them, talk to them about their interests, what they like to do. Just try to keep on the conversation going in which you also speak and you let the other person also, give a chance to be heard. So I would suggest it that it can be like, for the first time 25% talking and 75% listening. So let's try this and move on to the next one. Over here you have the icebreaker jokes. So now in that icebreaker jokes we need to take care of some things really well. First thing, you are not going to make or insult or offend someone else by making a joke on them. We will try our best to make a joke on ourselves, take a little bit things lightly. Like my lovely students just call me a cute panda sometimes because I'm all white with my dark circles. So just I take it very sportingly, laugh it away guys. And this is actually, it keeps the conversation really interesting, really fun, and keep going. With this, let us move on to our third tip. Use their name frequently. So guys, one very small thing, that the name of any person is the very first secret that you know about them. So if I say, hi, hey, how are you? Oh yeah, okay, yes. And on the other hand, I'm like really excited to talk to you and say, hey Akshay, how are you doing today? It was really good to know about you, something like that. And Akshay, I just heard that you were not well before. So something like this guys, this actually makes up the conversation a little bit more personal with the other person. So just try to take their names frequently, but we are not going to overdo that at all. The next 3 techniques are going to be coming up very soon, but before telling you those secret techniques, I'm going to tell you some really cool secrets about An Academy. So let's begin guys. Over here in front of your screen, you people can see Ask a Doubt feature. Now what is the secret in this one? Guys, you people can take all the assistance or in your homework that you want. This is a premium feature that is absolutely for free. Do not tell that to anyone. Just keep it a secret between you and me. You people can ask as many as unlimited doubts that you people want, as well as you will get a video recorded solution both in English and Hindi languages as per your needs. So anytime if you have a doubt, just click the picture. It's as easy as that. You need to just click the picture of your doubt and just upload it away, and you will be getting the reply very soon. So let's try it, and do tell me in the comment section if it works really well for you. Moreover, our An Academy subscriptions guys, now this is something really amazing. Our All the Plus and Iconic educators come up with a well designed course that we design it for you. So what in that we kind of put up the batch courses over there, as well as we have exhaustive coverage of the whole syllabus, unlimited access to all the study material, all the live classes in which you can ask your doubts live with all your favorite educators. The study material, everything, you do not have to worry about it at all. So this is our plus subscription. Over here, these are the pricings for that. It would start from 3 months, and you people can always use the code right over there in the right upper corner of this video, that is ALIVE10. Now what is this ALIVE10 going to help you with? First of all, it is my code. So if you really like teaching from me, or if you really trust me for your science subjects, go ahead and use that code, guys. How does it work? It gives you a big 10% discount. Suppose you're going for a subscription of 12 months, and it is approximately 15,000 rupees. You just will get a straight away discount, and you only need to pay 13,500. How does that sound? So it is going to be amazing. Some kids, a lot of kids just keep asking me, ma'am, how do we manage our time? We need to revise, we need to give the test, we need to learn, we need to do each and everything for so many chapters and so many subjects. So the Iconic subscription is best for my champions, because over here a team of Unacademy provides you with a planner of each and everything in detail, and you people as well as your parents can one-to-one sit with them as well as decide each and everything that is good for you, your goals as well as per your needs. So guys, go ahead, check that out. The best feature that I like about Iconic is a one-to-one doubt solving session with our bestest educators. So this is something really amazing. Go check that out right now. Talk to your parents and do tell me about that. The same rule applies over here. If you use the code ALIVE10, you would be getting the discount on each and every subscription you are seeing on your particular screens, and that too a good 10%. So go ahead, use the code, and let's crack it together, guys. Download the Unacademy application right now for all the free and your lovely features that you would like to use. Now let's begin with your secret strategy. Now this one comes with a lot of benefits. It comes up with a lot of benefits that you people can actually make up a very strong bond, but it does come with a little bit of risk as well. So what you need to do in this right away, you people can tell some really, I would say, cool or some personal secrets about yourself to the other person. Now this thing do two things for you. The first thing would be the other person will believe that you trust them, and then the second, they will also start trusting you, and the conversation will become a little bit more personal and connected. So this is something really cool about that. Now something risky, one thing you need to take care in mind, you do not need to tell the other person's secret to other person. You only need to share yours. Make sure that you keep that in mind, and it works really well. Now the other one is my favorite, that is invest in yourself. Now how do you invest in yourself? First of all, give yourself time. Try to find out some really good things that you like to do. So suppose if I like to hear to music or listen to music a lot, what will I do is I'll make a playlist that I usually do for myself, and whenever I feel a little bit connected to the other person, I might share my personal playlist with them, and they might share their personal with me. So this keeps on kind of the engagement. This improves the engagement between two people, and you just stay connected forever. And one thing that you need to take care in mind, if you are sharing your personal interest or your personal things that you would like to do, you need to keep a very open ear for listening to theirs as well. So if I like cooking and they like art work or art and craft, we should be knowing about both of them. Yes, so let's share it away, guys. We can do it well. Now this beautiful woman, as you can see on your screen, Maya Angelou, actually gave me the insight about the very important, I would say the most important sixth secret to build up your attractive personality is to be genuinely kind. Now, Maya Angelou is a civil rights activist, one of the most famous writer, poets, playwright, and she was also a singer and dancer. She was a very influential woman in her time, and one thing that I just loved about what she said is right on your screens. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. So, guys, this is the very first thing that you need to take in mind whenever you are interacting with anyone in your life, that you should make them feel loved, you should make them feel accepted, and yeah, just spread the kindness away. Just keep appreciating one or small things of theirs, and just make them feel good, and as well as accept them. If they want a little bit of help, just genuinely be kind to everyone, and do let me know if you already do that, and if you do not, start practicing it today, because I do it and it works really really well for me. So guys, these are my amazing 6 tips. Go ahead and use them right now. Do tell me in the comment section if it works for you, and any other video options or any other video suggestions you want me to make for you people. I would love to do that. And do not forget, my Unacademy champions, to subscribe to this channel right now. Give it a like and share this video as well as this channel with all your newly made friends. Let's hit the target of 10,000 subscribers very very soon, guys, and we will definitely celebrate it with you. Happy friendship. Take care till then. Bye bye.